Well, later we can check the program and get back to this. So of course, no problem. Let us continue. And next one, depart. Same. We have arrival, then after the server, we will have a departure. Depart. Depart if leave the system, leave the server. If we have a given task like that, leave the server, then what to do? Leave the server, of course, we want to check. First of all, check queue empty, because leave, and we want to loop back. Queue empty. If queue empty, all right, if queue empty, yes. Right? In fact, leave from the server, the customer leaves and then loop back. Okay, it looks back. We don't have any customer anymore. If don't have any customer anymore, therefore we can you can set status of the server to idle. Set it to idle, then how about the leaving customer? Eliminate. You drop it, something like you drop it, then finish. Well, if you have a leaving event or a departing event, looking back, if we don't have any customer anymore, therefore we can change server status to idle, and you can eliminate the event from the current consideration, because everything is okay associated with the customer, because the customer wants to leave. Therefore, we can eliminate the customer from the system. Well, if we have an empty queue, therefore we can consider the first or the next customer. Well, consider one of the customer, so you need to subtract from the number in queue. All right, so number in queue size -1, and -1. That says, for example, we minus the first one, we get the first one, remove it from the queue. So of course, queue size, you can have -1 for queue size. And about the customer we call head of line. All right, head of line. Head of line customer enter the server. So right now, this customer can compute delay. All right, so can compute the delay. How to compute? The current time instant minus its arrival time. Right? How to compute current time? Minus time arrival, right? When we put the customer into queue, we will store time arrival for this customer. So we know this time. And of course, we can have the current time. You can check simulation time, so you can know current time. Current time minus time arrival, so that you can have a delay. All right, delay equal to current time minus time arrival of the customer. Therefore, you can compute delay, and this delay again is queuing delay. If we have the way to calculate, likewise, we know that we can increase number of customer delayed. And likewise, we know it, and right now we can schedule the departure. So schedule. So this is the leaving. All right. And leaving, so we can schedule the departure event. Well, leaving, customer leaving, but you process HOL, and the HOL you need to readjust the buffer. Readjust, then you need to move each customer, right? Move each customer in queue up one place. Actually, we have the vertical view. Therefore, we have a queue here that says move up. Okay, move up one place because HOL removed, so you need to move up. All right, you can follow the graph. I mean the figures in the taskbar. We have the system diagram using the vertical way to show the system diagram. Therefore, we move up. All right, so readjust the queue. You need to move up. Move each customer in queue up one place. All right. Well, this is a departure routine. About departure routine, is it okay? Well, if it is okay, then you can check the others. In fact, we already have the other functions or other procedures. And later we check other procedure by checking the function selected. We already have two main routines, arrive and depart. Well, later we will check arrive and depart by checking the program follows the current routines or not. Well, later we will check those two routines, and also we will check the other functions. Well, to check the program, actually we have version 1 and version 2. Version 1 fixed run length, actually it's running time. Okay, so we have a fixed time for the second version. And for the first version, we have a fixed or given sample size. That says we set the upper bound of a number of customer delayed. Well, number of customer delayed, if we have the fixed value, we will have version 1. If you don't want to use that way, we want to have the fixed simulation time, then we will have version 2. And actually, version 1 or 2 cover in the taskbar. You can check the taskbar. Or later, I will upload the hyperlink so that you can reach the files of the two versions through Moodle or through Teams.